Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to change one of our Highway 305 community signs in Poulsbo. We recently updated our banner sizing requirements, so please be sure to review those on our cityofpoulsbo.com website. Let's get started. When you reserve a sign, your reservation runs 1 week from Sunday to Sunday. Installation is after 3 p.m. on your first Sunday and removal before 2 p.m. on the next Sunday. Safety is the top priority when changing the Highway 305 signboard. You no longer need to bring a stepladder, hammer, or nails. If you add anything extra to the wood signboard like screws or bolts, you will be liable for covering the costs of any damage. We recommend wearing proper safety gear, including some gloves and a reflective vest. However, you just need yourself and your double-sided vinyl banner that has reinforced grommets placed every 2 feet with wind slits. The wind slits are important because you will feel the wind effects even as you put the banner up. The maximum size your banner can be is 11.5 feet or 138 inches wide by 8.5 feet or 102 inches tall. In this example, our city banner is 7.5 feet or 90 inches tall to show you can accommodate a smaller height. At the signboard, there should be 20 carabiners for your use. You may not need to use them all. The first step is to use the yellow lever to lower the top frame, which will have the carabiner clips attached. Remember, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty for crank movement. Next, lay out your banner. Make sure each grommet hole has a carabiner clip attached to it. To attach, it is as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Position the carabiner clip facing the seam of the grommet and insert, making sure the clip is secure. 2. Position the carabiner so that the narrow end is looped through the grommet. 3. Hold the wide end towards you with the clip facing upwards. Repeat for each grommet and ensure that each carabiner is facing the same direction. Attach the banner by clipping carabiners to the recently lowered top frame. Using the yellow lever, raise the banner, incrementally stopping to clip in each vertical carabiner. This is easiest with 2 people, but doable by yourself. Make sure the banner is attached to all sides of the frame, with all carabiners facing the same direction. Using the yellow lever, you will tighten the banner so that it is taut. Do not overcrank, as you will cause damage to your grommets and banner. Their grommets can easily rip out. Once the banner is in place, do a final inspection from various angles to ensure it is properly secured and looks perfect. You've successfully changed the Highway 305 community sign in Poulsbo. When taking down your banner, you will want to release tension to your sign and unclip the bottom frame carabiners first. Using the yellow lever to lower the banner incrementally, continue to unclip the side carabiners until you have lowered the top frame entirely. Then you can unclip the top frame carabiners. Finish by reattaching the carabiners where you found them. Clip to the top frame and hoisting the frame back to its maximum height. That's it! Thank you for watching this how-to tutorial and knowing how to properly change the Highway 305 community sign in Poulsbo. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and follow us at Poulsbo Parks Rec.